Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ12 Mini DV camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's what it comes with. Here are the accessories, manual, and the camera. Okay, so I'm going to go over the features of the camera. Right over here you have the power button, the mode button. Here's the memory card slot. This uses a micro SD card. Here's the connector and charger port. This is the indicator light. Right here is the lens. And two infrared lamps. Okay, so I'm going to mount the hardware. Comes with this piece here. This is the charger and connector cable. And this is cable to connect to a monitor. Okay. So this mounts right here. And it swivels 360 degrees. So this could be clipped onto places to mount the camera in different places. And it can be clipped onto here. You have two holes, so this could be mounted. And this swivels. So this can be used as a dash cam. Just put this like that. So this plugs into the camera. This plugs into the computer. And you can use this to see live video by connecting this to a monitor. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to charge the camera. To charge the camera, plug the camera into the computer. When you plug the camera into the computer, you're going to see a red light flashing. When the red light stops flashing and you see a steady red light, it means the camera is charged. Okay, so I'm going to install a memory card. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just insert it in and just push it in like so. And that's how to install the memory card. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. It's in English, as well as Chinese. Now to turn the camera on, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Now the camera is showing a steady blue light, and that means the camera is in 720 pixels video standby mode. To start recording video, press the power button. As you just saw, the blue light flashed 3 times, went off, and the camera is now recording video in 720 pixels. To stop recording video, press the power button. The camera has stopped recording video, and the blue light is steady. The file is saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in 720 pixels video standby mode. Now to record in 1080 pixels, while the camera is in 720 pixel standby mode, press the mode button. Now as you just saw, the light changed from blue to blue and red, and the camera is now in 1080 pixel standby mode. To record video in 1080 pixels, press the power button. Now as you just saw, the blue and red light flashed 3 times, went off, and the camera is now recording with 1080 pixel video. To stop recording video, press the power button. Video recording has stopped, and the camera is now back in 1080 pixel standby mode. Now to take photos, press the mode button. Now as you just saw, the light changed to a steady red light, and the camera is now in photo standby mode. To take a photo, press the power button. The red light flashed once, came back on again. You just took a photo. To take another photo, press the power button again. You just took another photo, press the power button again. You just took another photo, and so on and so forth. Okay, now to take video with motion detection, put the video in either 720 pixel or 1080 pixel standby mode. Okay, so I have the camera right now in 720 pixel. Okay, while in video standby mode, press and hold down the mode button for about 3 seconds. Okay, and now the camera is in motion detection recording mode. Now when the camera detects motion, the red light and the blue light will be flashing at the same time, and the camera will be recording for a short period of time until it no longer detects motion and then stops recording. And when the camera detects motion again, it will start recording again. To exit motion detection recording mode, you can press either the power button or the mode button. And the camera has exited motion detection mode. To record video with night vision, put the camera in either 720 pixels or 1080 pixels mode. Okay, so right now it's in 720 pixels. So to activate night vision, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. As you can see, the lamps are on. The camera is ready to record night vision. Okay, to start recording in night vision, press the power button. As you just saw, the camera flashed several times, went off, and the camera is now recording with night vision. To stop recording, press the power button. The camera has stopped recording in night vision, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now the night vision is still on. To turn night vision off, press and hold down the power button for about 2 seconds. Night vision is off, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to record night vision in 1080 pixels, just change the standby mode to 1080 pixels, and then just repeat the process to activate night vision and record in 1080 pixels. To power the camera off, if the camera is in standby mode and not recording, the camera will automatically power off in 1 minute. To power the camera off right away, press and hold down the power button for about 6 seconds. And the camera is now powered off. Now this camera is plug and play. There's no driver required. To access the files on the camera, plug the camera into the computer. You'll see a window appear, and then in the window you'll see a folder, and in that folder you should see all the footage that the camera has. To use the camera as a webcam, connect the camera to the computer, and then after the computer detects the camera, press the power button. And after you press the power button, the camera will be ready to be used as a webcam. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the SQ12 mini DV camera. I'm currently taking footage in 1080 pixels. So here we go. Okay, I'm currently taking footage in 720 pixels.
Mùi thực phẩm nhá.
Okay, so there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the SQ12 Mini DV camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.